Now I will introduce how to assemble hanger kit, which is designed for 7.5-inch ESL. The hanger kit consists of 2 protective covers, a frame, a promotion paper frame and 2 promotion papers, and 2 wire ropes. Put ESL into protective cover, fix them on the frame. Same way for the other side. Now we've finished assembly of 7.5-inch ESL. If it is not required to use promotion paper, we directly fix it by wire rope. Move the lock to the unthreaded side, and pass the threaded side through the hole to fix. If it's required to use promotion paper, insert promotion frame into main frame. Pay attention that there's a limit terminal in the main frame. It's necessary to insert promotion frame from the left side of the limit terminal. Then insert promotion paper from the top into the frame. Same way for the other side. At last, fix wire ropes on the top.